Jai Jinendra. Good afternoon. I hope we are all enjoying the convention. Coming to Rahul Kapoor Jain, I've known him for last few years, and you just heard from Sanjay ji. So don't we all wonder, how did he get there? He's from Bengaluru, India, a lifelong student of Jain faith. He practiced the religion through rituals, just like most of us, or many of us, for first 35 years of his life. And then an awakening happened, which not everybody awakens, but he started going inside for his next journey to understand the spirituality. He spends hundreds of hours every year in silence to experience the dynamics of the inner world and learn from universal truths under the guidance of various acharyas, spiritual leaders, etc. Having learned that, he now attempts to discover the subtle truths hidden behind the rituals and philosophy, implements them on himself, and then comes out and talks to us. He has a vision to spread Jain principles among Jains and others using the modern approach, and that is the teachings of Aryans and Siddhas, combining science, his own research, and of course, the fundamentals. He has been a regular speaker on Jaina platform since 2015. With that, I'll say one more thing. The only motivational speaker I know whose name was on a big billboard in the city of Surat a few years back. With that, Rahul Kapoor Jain.
All right, everybody, please stand up. Join your hands, close your eyes, join along with me. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ayariyanam, Namo Vajayanam, Namo Loe Savasahunam, Eso Panchanamukaro, Savapavapanasano, Mangalanam cha Savvesim, Padamam Havai Mangalam, Padamam Havai Mangalam, Mangalam Bhagavan Viro, Mangalam Gautam Prabhu, Mangalam Stuli Bhadrabhya, Jaina Dharmastha Mangalam, Mangalam Kunda Kundabhya, Jaina Dharmastha Mangalam, Bolo Jina Shashana Devaki. Don't sit, not yet. Do you have those gifts that I asked for? Does anybody have that? That bag which was at the back, and I said there are 2 gifts in that. Did someone get them for me? Yes, no, quick. Yes, all right, you have the bag with you. Yes, brilliant. Don't sit, I'm coming down there with you, okay? I'm gonna wish you, Jai Jinendra. All you have to do is to wish me back. And the one who gives me the loudest and the longest gets these prizes. So here we go. Jai Jinendra. Okay, one last time. We don't have too much time. It's just 50 minutes talk. The one who gives me the loudest and the longest Jai Jinendra gets this. Make it loud, make it really, really long. Here we go. Jai Jinendra. Go, 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 go. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Going, going, going. Okay, okay. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Everybody, please sit down. Thank you very much. What's your name, ma'am?
Kirti.
Kirti, married.
Yes.
You can still shout so much. You shout really well.
Thank you.
This is for you. And I have another gift, right? Whoever has the other gift, keep it ready, because the one who claps loudest and longest gets the next prize. Congratulations, that's for you. Let's clap and welcome everybody right here, please, to Jaina Convention 2022. Maximizing human potential. Is this the best you can give me? Come on. Let me hear you. All right. All right, sit down, please. On the second gift that I was talking about, I was joking. Okay, sit down, please. Let me ask you all a question. The first time you wished me and the second time you wished me, was there any difference in the way you wished me? Loudly say yes or no. Second time, what was it like? There was more energy, more enthusiasm, more power, more passion, more competition. जो कुछ भी आपने मुझे second time दिया, वो आप मुझे पहली बार भी दे सकते थे, मगर आपने दिया नहीं. Why? Motivation. आपने कुछ गिफ्ट दिया तो हमने हमारे भीतर के पोटेंशियल को यहां से हमने यहां तक चढ़ा दिया. Which means to say you had the potential, but you didn't use it. And you gave away the key to your potential into hands of a stranger who doesn't even know you. I had the key to push you up or take you the other way around. You call that motivation. I call that manipulation. Now, ladies and gentlemen, एक छोटे से गिफ्ट के लिए अगर आप अपने पोटेंशियल को यहां से यहां तक ले जा सकते हैं, तो इमेजिन ये गिफ्ट ना हो और ये गिफ्ट एक पर्पस हो, और आपका पर्पस अगर मोक्ष हो, तो आपका पोटेंशियल कहां से कहां जा सकता है. That's really what this session is all about. अब या तो आप तालियां बजाई ना, और बजाए तो ऐसे बजाए कि विदाउट गिफ्ट भी फुल पोटेंशियल में बजाए. Let me hear you. Come on. And all of that. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. If your age is about 47, quickly raise your hands up. Right hand up. If it's 47, raise your hands up. Quickly. Bless me. If you're below 47, raise your hands up. Say hi. And for those of you who did not raise your hands up, kabhi to kuch kariye, sir. It's a matter of pride and privilege as I present to you another Jain concept this year. I'd like to dedicate this to all my gurus, all the teachers, my mentors and my coaches, my parents, who keep investing in me so that I can keep coming here and doing this work for all of you. Okay, so let's get started. We're talking about how do we unleash the power of Purusharth. I'm going to speak to you in a combination, using three combinations: spirituality, science, and psychology. I'm going to help you to understand that content really very well. In this session, we're going to move, we're going to participate, we're going to have questions, we're going to do as much as we can. As I see the watch here, the clock says 42 minutes to go. We'll do the best that we can. These are some of the people that I've worked with from the non-spiritual world, each of whom have done some incredible work in their life. Dr. Abdul Kalam, Sachin, Shahrukh. But also the fact that I've had a chance to work with a lot of spiritual leaders across from all religion and sects from the world. I'm trying to see what I can really bring in, which is going to be common in all of these people, and yet what is different in all of that. So science, psychology, and spirituality. Let's start by the first one. Panch Samanvay. Panch Samanvay. पांच चीजों का एक साथ होना. जब ये पांच चीजें एक साथ होती है, तब results आते हैं. क्या आपने ये प्रवचन में कभी सुना है? If yes, raise your hands up. For how many of you this is a new concept? Raise your hands up. Boy. Okay, so let's start with that. I'm going to spend 5 minutes on this. 5 causal factors, not casual, it's causal. पांच चीजें, 5 things that causes things to happen. Number 1, काल, समय. समय का मतलब वो कि जब जो चीज होनी है और जैसे होनी है उसी क्रिया में होती है, उसे हम कहते हैं काल. Time gives sequence to whatever happens. I put a seed in the ground. I can't get the fruit first. I'm going to get the plant. After that, I'm going to get the leaves. And then I'm going to get the fruit. So A, it takes a certain time. B, it's a certain sequence for things to happen. You came here. You could not have left. You could not have been in your house and suddenly been here. You had to go to the airport, or you had to go to the wherever. I mean, you had to drive your car. And then there was a sequence for you to come here. You can't break that sequence. Number 2. स्वभाव, नेचर. हर चीज का एक नेचर होता है. जैसे सूरज का एक नेचर है कि उसका काम है रोशनी देना, प्रकाश देना, तपाना. वैसे ही एक स्वभाव होता है कि लेमन सीड से मुझे लेमन ही मिल सकता है, मैंगो नहीं. तीसरा, नियति, डेस्टिनी. डेस्टिनी यानी कि जो चीज जैसी होनी है वैसी ही होगी. You cannot stop someone's aging process. You can't stop someone from dying. It's inevitable. It has to happen. Next, karma. Everybody has to face the consequences of the karma. So the question that comes up is, what is it that's the most important of these 4 that really matters for us to live our life and therefore accomplish what we want to? If that's the question, what will your answer be? If you believe it's Karl, raise your hand up. If you believe it's Swabhav, raise your hands up. If you believe it's Niyati, raise your hands up. If you believe it's Karma, raise your hands up. A lot of people do. Which means to say that we are talking about these 4 things, none of which is in your control. And if you are living your life with these 4 factors, which are not in your control, then there is free will. That means to say, you just come here, you exist, you just come in as an actor who has a script, you have to play that role of the script and you're done. But Jainism does not talk about that. Jainism gives you the power to decide how you're going to live your life. And therefore the 5th thing that comes in is called Purusharth, self-effort. Nothing works without efforts. या तो तालियां बजाए नहीं, बजाए तो ऐसे बजा के full potential वाली. Purusharth. Now, काल, स्वभाव, नियति, कर्म मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, मगर मेरे हाथ में पुरुषार्थ है. क्या मैं अपने पुरुषार्थ से अपने कर्मों को हल्का कर सकता हूं? क्या इन्हें जल्दी पका सकता हूं? क्या निर्जरा फास्ट हो सकती है? अगर निर्जरा फास्ट हो सकती है तो क्या मैं अपने डेस्टिनी को थोड़ा सा इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता हूं? अगर मैं अपने डेस्टिनी को इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता हूं तो बाकी जो 2 चीजें हैं उसका क्या प्रभाव होगा? That's the human quest. If you're a Jain, you need to understand this, and you need to understand that you've got the power to live your life the way you want to. Question then comes up, is that which of these 5 really work? Which is in our control? And the answer is simple, is Purusharth. So the next question is, what do you use Purusharth for? जैन धर्म के अंदर कहते हैं कि पुरुषार्थ अपने आध्यात्मिक जीवन में लगाए, सांसारिक जीवन में आप अपने कर्मों से जी लेंगे. Profound. I can't go in depth to really explain all of that to you today in this small talk. But what I really will do is to help you understand how you should look at this concept of Purusharth that will start working for you from today, and that's my commitment. From 38 minutes from now, it should start functioning for you. If it doesn't happen, it means 2 things. I was bad or you were bad. And I can tell you, I've come well prepared. Been preparing on this for the last 47 years of my life. So, can we really access the power of Purusharth? And the answer is yes. Mahavir Prabhu, even when he was a young child, he knew that he is destined to be a Tirthankar. He knew it's going to happen, it's inevitable. काल स्वभाव नियति पुरुष और हम सब कुछ तो कह रहे थे कि महावीर आप तीर्थंकर होने वाले हो. तो why did Mahavir have to put in Purusharth? See, that's the key. Mahavir Sarvakya knew everything, yet he had this question in his mind. Do I have to put in my Purusharth? And not 1 or 2 days, by the way, 12.5 years. जब महावीर प्रभु जिनको आप पूछते हैं, जिनको आप अपना सर्वज्ञ मानते हैं, जिनके जैसे आप बनने की कोशिश करते हैं, जो आपको ये कहते हैं कि आत्मा से हम परमात्मा बन सकते हैं, अगर वो पुरुषार्थ करते हैं और अपने कर्मों को खपाते हैं, उसके बाद वो आत्मा से परमात्मा बनते हैं, तो ये क्वेश्चन पूछने लायक भी नहीं है क्या हमें पुरुषार्थ करना है. पुरुषार्थ तो जरूर करना ही है. ऐसे महावीर प्रभु के लिए आज हम तालियों से उनका सम्मान नहीं, उस मैसेज को हमारे दिल और हमारे दिमाग में उतारने की कोशिश करेंगे. इन तालियों से, इनके वाइब्रेशन से. यह है महावीर. क्या जबरदस्त तपस्या चल रही होगी. इन महावीर को हम पूछते हैं, मगर जब थोड़ा सा दुख हमारे जीवन में आ जाता है तो हम उस दुख को लेकर द्वेष में चले जाते हैं. थोड़ा सा दुख क्या आया कि द्वेष क्या आया कि कर्मों का पूरा चक्कर वापस चालू. वो क्या आया कि नियति को अपने न जाने कहां से कहां लेके चले गए. So this has to be understood. And it's not just the story of Mahavir. I want to bring it 1 level down from a Siddha to Sulibhadra Swami. You all know the story, yes, no? Was in love with a woman and so crazy about her. He was living his life with her all the time. Realized, what the hell am I doing? Thoda sa darshan hota hai ki nahi, jeevan ko alag se jeena chahiye. And he goes, takes diksha, and what does he do? He goes back to this lady, who of course was not the most righteous one. And he does his chaturmas there just to test himself and check his Purusharth, whether he can really be in a state of equanimity, and he achieves success through Purusharth. And then we heard about Mainaji, Shripal Ras, महीना के फादर है जो कहते हैं कि भाई सबसे बड़ा मोह है, वो कहते हैं नहीं, सबसे बड़े तो जो शाश्वत नियम है उससे बड़ा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है, कर्मों से ऊपर कुछ हो नहीं सकता है। तो उसकी शादी एक कोड़िए से करा देती है। अब वो कोड़िया जो है उसका कोड़ का रोग कैसे निकल सकता है वो मैं संडे को अपने प्रोग्राम में बताऊंगा। जीन्स एंड जेनिज्म, one of the most beautiful topics you will ever get to hear, and that's happening on Sunday morning. But yes, Purusharth worked, her Purusharth worked for her husband. How cool is that? So finally, ladies and gentlemen, what am I trying to establish in the last 8 minutes is just this. Jainism is equals to Shraman Dharam. श्रमण का मतलब होता है श्रम, जो श्रम से जीते हैं, कृपा से नहीं। कृपा धर्म नहीं है, श्रमण धर्म है। मेरी कृपा से तुम ये वो पालोगे नहीं, तुम अपने खुद के श्रम से आत्मा से परमात्मा तक पहुंच सकते हो। That's Mahavir's message. And this is what I'm trying to talk about, कि श्रमण धर्म को मैंने निकाला और श्रमण धर्म को मैंने पुरुषार्थ के साथ जोड़ा। And here I am to say, ladies and gentlemen, you belong to the faith which believes in your own efforts. That's supreme, nothing more than that. Powerful, isn't that? Now the question that comes up is, how are you going to use your Purusharth? I have 4 people right up there. All of them are successful people, incredible people who've used their full potential with the Purusharth. Number 1, Hitler. What did he do? He used his entire Purusharth. हमारे चार प्रकार के ध्यान होते हैं। रौद्र ध्यान, अर्थ ध्यान, धर्म ध्यान, शुक्ल ध्यान। पुरुषार्थ से सब होते हैं ये। A man can never be out of the state of meditation. You're always in the state of meditation. It just depends on which part, which segment of that meditation you're in. So Hitler's put all the Purusharth. He believed that he wants to make his country the most supreme. He did. Amazing. But what did he do? He just created so much of violence. That Purusharth didn't work for him. Steve Jobs, well, much better as a human being. And the guy not was creative. He just wanted to spread his creativity around the world and give human beings the power to live their lives at a very next level. Zabardast Purusharth, magar पैसों के लिए, power के लिए, popularity के लिए. फिर आज पहली बार इस मंच से चित्रभानु जी का मैंने जिक्र करने का सोचा. 100 year of his birth celebration is coming up. In fact, this is that year, and I thought I should bring him on this presentation. छोटी तालियां मत बजाइए, ये ना होते तो आप और हम ना मिलते. इन्होंने भी पुरुषार्थ किया कि धर्म को प्रचलित करे, आपके हमारे परिवारों के अंदर धर्म बना रहे, टिका रहे. And therefore, you see, इनका पुरुषार्थ अलग है. और उसके बाद एक और पुरुषार्थ जो सिद्ध भगवान करते हैं, अपने आत्मा को आत्मा से परमात्मा तक पहुंचाने का जो पुरुषार्थ होता है. These are the 4 different types of purusharth. My question to all of you is, when you look at your efforts, you are putting in efforts. When you eat, it's effort. You sleep, it's effort. You change your clothes, it's an effort. You travel, it's effort. हर चीज में पुरुषार्थ. मगर क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपका पुरुषार्थ कहां लग रहा है? कैसा है आपका पुरुषार्थ? उसकी क्वालिटी क्या है? उसे जानने के लिए एक छोटा सा पर्सपेक्टिव है, पर्पस और एक्शन. आपका पर्पस क्या है? राहुल कपूर यहां पर स्टेज के ऊपर बोल रहा है, पर्पस क्या है? ओ मेरा नाम हो जाएगा. नो, नॉट रियली. कुछ पैसे कमा लेंगे. नॉट रियली. पर्पस क्या है? मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं यहां आपके देश में आके धर्म को और अच्छे से फैलाऊं, बिकॉज यहां पर जो धर्म की कदर होती है शायद बहुत कम जगह होती है, इंक्लूडिंग इंडिया एंड सम ऑफ द प्लेसेस. आई कैन टेल यू दैट, एंड व्हिच इज व्हाई इट्स अ प्लेजर टू बी विद ऑल ऑफ यू हियर. विराग भाई कल मुझे मिले, जो मुझे पिकअप कर रहे थे. यहां पर वो तीसरा वर्षितप कर रहे थे. Isn't that amazing? In America, outstanding stuff. You can clap, yeah, why not? So, what's the purpose, and therefore, what's the action? अब तक जो मैंने कहा, I'm just going to quickly wrap up so that it stays in your brain, because things will get a little more interesting from here on. I said there are 5 things that really need to come together for things to happen. What are they? Number 1, fast. Kal, Subhav, oh come on. Kal, Subhav, नियति, कर्म, पुरुषार्थ. इंग्लिश में करेंगे. टाइम, नेचर, डेस्टिनी, कर्म एंड efforts. We clear? From there I went on to tell you why Purusharth is the only one which is in your control. And then I gave you example of Mahavir, and then I moved it down to an Acharya. From there I moved it down to normal human beings. Then what I've done is I picked up those human beings from there, and I got them here, and I'm saying, hey, you can be like a Hitler, you can be like a Steve Jobs, you can then be like a Sadhu Bhagwan, you can then be a Siddha. So that's where we are in the last 15 minutes of this talk. Making sense to all of you? थोड़ा सा पुरुषार्थ के साथ तालियां बजाए. I can take a breath. Question then is transformation possible? 100% yes. But can a Hitler become a peaceful man? Well, he's not alive, so I can't talk about him. But I have an example here. Chanda अशोक की बात कर रहा हूं, वो अशोक जिसके पापा ने जैन दीक्षा ली थी, वो अशोक जो सम्राट कहते हैं, वो अशोक जिसने अपने भाई का खून किया राज्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए, वो अशोक जिसने कलिंगा के अंदर हजारों लाखों लोगों को मारा, वो अशोक जो कहता है कि मुझे ऐसा जीवन नहीं जीना है, वो अशोक। क्या धर्म अशोक हो सकता है? एंड आज हमारे इंडिया के नोट के ऊपर अशोका का एक सिंबल होता है, हमारे एम्बलम में अशोका का सिंबल होता है। दिस इज द प्रूफ, दिस इज द प्रूफ। The proof is not that Ashoka was the great king and therefore his symbol is on the note, his symbol is on the emblem. That's not the reason. The symbol is on the emblem to show that transformation is possible. Atma se Paramatma insan ban sakta hai, and which is why India chose that symbol in its emblem, and I think we should appreciate that. So it's possible. So the question now, Rahul, okay, all this is Gyan. Tell me, what about my life? So let's get your life into this. And now from here, I talk about you. We're going to move a little into science and psychology. Enjoy this part of the program. Close your eyes. अपनी आंखों को बंद कर दीजिए. सीधा बैठिए. आंखों को बंद करके I want you now to visualize the most difficult moment of your life. आपके जीवन का सबसे कठिन पल कौन सा था? आपके जीवन का सबसे कठिन पल कौन सा था? Think of one experience of your life which was really challenging. बचपन में हो सकता है, 10 साल पहले की बात हो सकती है, 2 साल पहले की बात हो सकती है. It could have been about your financial difficulty, maybe health issues, maybe somebody insulted you, maybe you failed at something, whatever. I want you to visualize the most difficult moment of your life. And now I want you to stay in that moment and ask yourself, did you give up? Or did you actually get committed to do something about it? And if you did, तो क्या-क्या प्रयत्न किए? What did you do to overcome those challenges? Just be in that state, visualize the moment, and recall all that you did in that phase of your life. Now I want you to experience those tough moments. I want you to visualize exactly what you did. I want you to feel that energy in your body. And open your eyes. This is a short session just by the raise of your hand. How many of you actually were down and out, but you really bounced back because you got committed and you put in efforts? If yes, raise your hands up. Come on, quickly. Let me see you all. Brilliant. Proof that you have the ability. Proof that you have the ability. Question, Rahul, if I have the ability, why don't I consistently use it? If I have the ability, why don't I use it for my better health? If I have the ability, why don't I use it to have better relationship? If I have the ability, why don't I use it for my business to grow? Now, these are the questions you have. Jainism has the answer. So now, the question is, what do we do with this? Is there any scientific evidence that can prove to us that we can make change and transformation permanent? It's possible. Yes or no? I don't know. Let's see if we can try and introduce to you the science part of this talk now. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a scientist. I'm not a psychologist. I'm just a student of Jainism. I spent intense amount of time on experimenting on my own body, how things really take place. I go get my endoscopy done on Sunday. I'm showing you what happened in my body a few years back and how I tracked it down and how I overcame a disease which doctors said you can't. What I did with that's on Sunday when I'm talking about Jainism and genes. But what I'm trying to tell you now is this, that most of my work is well researched. I speak to plenty of doctors. I go into it, read the books. I sent a huge list of books that I was reading in the last 3 months. For this talk, and the Sunday's talk, I have taken up a course in Quantum University to understand the inner mechanics of our body and how that functions. And as I'm doing that course from the world's best thinkers, I have picked up all those messages and connected that back with Jainism I'm presenting here today. So my daughter asked me, Papa, you're going to America for these programs. You don't even charge money. So why are you putting so much of efforts? So I told my daughter, the day you understand that you put in so much of effort, even for a free talk, you'll then realize what amount of effort one has to put in to actually go ahead and make yourself move from a state of Atma to Paramatma. The life is full of potential. Use it. I also told her कि बेटा हर चीज़ पैसों से तोली नहीं जाती है. शायद मैं यहाँ से पैसे लेके आऊँगा तो नुकसान में रहूँगा. वहाँ जाके लोगों के जीवन को अगर चेंज किया तो वो पुण्य कमाऊँगा तो वो सालों साल नहीं जन्मों जन्मों तक चलेगा. That gives the answer to all those people who say, Rahul, come to our temple, talk and take money. And I keep saying I will not. Because you know what? I want, मैं तो अच्छा बिजनेस में मारवाड़ी हूँ. मुझे पता है कितना पैसा किसके पास से लेना और पुण्य कितना लेना है. Scientific evidence. Neuroplasticity. आज से 30 साल 40 साल पहले साइंस ने कहा कि भैया जो तुम्हारा दिमाग है जैसा है वैसा ही रहने वाला है, वो चेंज नहीं होगा. When I started my career, there was a mentor who was talking to me and he said, Rahul, you are in the wrong industry. Human beings don't change. They're going to remain like this. They're going to struggle. They're going to suffer. They're going to die. You're in the wrong industry. And I doubted myself whether I am in the right industry or not. But the only person who got me going was Mahavir. I said, if Mahavir can change the Chanda Kaushik Sala, मैं क्यों नहीं change कर सकता किसी को? And I said, उनको change करने के लिए पहले अपने आप को change करके देख लो. तो जितना अपने ऊपर कोशिश करता हूं उतना ही आज मैं लोगों के जीवन को चेंज करने की कोशिश करता हूं. कभी कंपनी जैसे एप्पल, गूगल, सैमसंग जो मेरे क्लाइंट्स हैं, कभी फैमिलीज जिनके लिए मैं कंसल्टिंग करता हूं 12-12 महीने. एक फैमिली मेरे साथ रहती है जहां पर होप नहीं है, जहां पर हस्बैंड वाइफ के बीच में झगड़े, जहां पर बच्चे उनके बिजनेस को ज्वाइन नहीं करना चाहते, जहां पर बड़े बड़े कंसल्टिंग कंपनीज ने बोल दिया कि नथिंग इज गोना हैपन. एंड देन थ्रू साइंस, साइकोलॉजी एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी वी गेटिंग रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम देम. And we've seen people, children who said we'll never join father's business. Not only they joined, but 250% growth in 2 years after the work that we did. What was this phenomena? I mean, I knew I was getting results, but I didn't know how was I getting the results. मैं कर क्या रहा था? So then I got into this industry to understand how neuroplasticity works. वो ये कहते हैं, हमारा जो ब्रेन है, उसके अंदर एक नेचर होता है. ब्रेन का नेचर, ब्रेन का स्वभाव, कि वो प्लास्टिक जैसा है. उसको आप मरोड़ सकते हो, गरम करके उसका शेप बदल कर सकते हो. अगर मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसा किया, अब देखिए इसको ऐसे चेंज कर सकता हूं. समथिंग हैज टू चेंज फ्रॉम हियर फॉर दिस टू चेंज लाइक दिस. तो ये क्या है? न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी. वापस गरम करके इसका शेप बदल सकता हूं. नाउ द न्यू रिसर्च सेज दैट आवर ब्रेन कैन चेंज. महावीर ने कहा तो हमने माना नहीं. साइंटिस्ट कहते तो हम मान लेते हैं. महावीर ने कहा भैया आप लोग फास्टिंग करो, योर हेल्थ विल इंप्रूव, हमने माना नहीं. फिर एफी हुआ, आई मीन ऑटोफैगी की बात आई, लोगों ने मान लिया. अच्छी बात है, कुछ श्रद्धा से करना चाहिए, कुछ ज्ञान से करना चाहिए, मगर करना चाहिए ये ज्ञान ताकि आपको भी, मैं जब एक ज्ञान आपको इसलिए दे रहा हूं ताकि जब आप यहां से जाए तो आपकी श्रद्धा महावीर प्रभु के ऊपर और बढ़ जाए. न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी ये कहती है कि योर ब्रेन कैन चेंज. वो कैसे होता है? तो हमारे ब्रेन के अंदर न्यूरॉन्स है. अब वो क्या होता है मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूं. थोड़ा टेक्निकल है, बट इसको बहुत ही आसान से करके जाऊंगा. अगले 5-10 मिनट के अंदर इतने सिंप्लिसिटी के साथ समझाऊंगा कि आपके दिमाग में रह जाए. तो हमारा ये ब्रेन है, वो ब्रेन है, उस ब्रेन के अंदर ये छोटे 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 पॉइंट्स है. इनको हम कहते हैं न्यूरॉन्स. जोर से बोले, क्या कहते हैं? जोर से, कम ऑन, 1000-2000 पीपल ऐसे. अब ये न्यूरॉन्स है. ये न्यूरॉन्स कैसे काम करते हैं मैं आपको दिखाता हूं. ओके, मेरे साथ जोर से बोलना. 2 1s are, come on, 2 1s are how much? 2 2s are, 4 2s are, 8 4 2s are 6 are. Who said that? 4 2s are, 8 2s are. You've done this so many times in your life. जब आप स्कूल में थे, बच्चे थे, तो आपने रिपीट किया, रिपीट किया, रिपीट किया, रिपीट किया, रिपीट किया, रिपीट किया, रिपीट किया. तो ये जो भाग है यहां पर, ये न्यूरॉन्स का एक कनेक्शन हो जाता है. एक कनेक्शन, जब एक कनेक्शन हो जाता है तो यू कैन डू दिस ऑटोमेटिकली. वापस कोशिश करें, एवरीबडी डू इट फास्ट, रियली क्विक. 2 1s are, faster, faster. 2 4s are, 8 2s are, 16.5 into 19.3s are. Ouch. You're in trouble. What's happening is that these potential of neurons can get connected, but they're still not connected. They're still not connected. But if I connect them, then it can work. How many of you right-handed people, raise your hands up. If I ask you to write with the left hand, what will happen? You will be in trouble, but with practice, can you do it? Yes or no? Yes. That's neuroplasticity. I mean, इतने सिंप्लिसिटी के साथ समझा दिया. आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो कॉम्प्लिकेट करके समझा. जोकिंग. जब ये कनेक्शंस जब ये कनेक्शंस बनते हैं इसको हम कहते हैं न्यूरोजेनेसिस. जेनेसिस मतलब कुछ शुरुआत होती है, कुछ नई शुरुआत. हाउ डज दैट वर्क? लेट मी शो यू. ओके, इसको हम कहते हैं न्यूरोजेनेसिस, कुछ शुरुआत हुई. जब इसको हम प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो ये स्ट्रांग बन जाते हैं, इसको हम कहते हैं साइनैप्स. जब ये स्ट्रांग बन जाते हैं तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली काम करते हैं. दैट्स इट. जैसे कोई कोई लोग सवेरे उठ के परेशान होते हैं, टेंशन लेते हैं, कोई कोई लोग हंसते हैं, जैसे शांतिलाल जी गुलेछा बोल रहे थे सवेरे, बिकॉज यू बीन वायर्ड लाइक दैट, यू वायर्ड लाइक दैट, यू नीड टू कट दैट वायरिंग एंड चेंज इट. कैन इट बी डन इट? Well, in 19.8 minutes we can do it. 19.5 minutes, we'll try. So, ये न्यूरॉन्स जब फायर होके यहां तक आ जाते हैं, अब ये आपका दिमाग का वायरिंग हो गया, इसको चेंज कैसे करें? महावीर ने क्या कहा वो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं. बट नाउ हैव अ लुक एट द वीडियो. This is what happens inside your brain, okay? Inside your brain.
The human brain, one of our most complex organs, allows us to move, feel, think, and learn. Inside the brain, a dynamic network formed by billions of nerve cells processes information via electrical signals. Each neuron receives information from thousands of other neurons via multiple processes called dendrites and transmits information via a single axon. At specialized contact sites called synapses, electrical signals trigger the regulated release of neurotransmitters stored in synaptic vesicles. These chemical messengers bind and activate postsynaptic receptors, initiating a new electrical signal in the next cell.
Right, so हमारे बॉडी के अंदर करोड़ों सेल्स है. They say millions, okay? Then say billions. Now they're saying trillions. और इन सेल्स का कनेक्शन न्यूरॉन से होता है, and then the cells start to talk. ये सब्जेक्ट हम संडे को ले रहे हैं, सेल्स वाला, ओके? बट ये न्यूरोप्लास्टिसिटी का मतलब क्या है? कि हम चेंज हो सकते हैं. ये साइंस ने प्रूव किया, मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया. थोड़ा और कर लेते बात कि भैया ये होता कैसे है. तो 3 प्रकार के चेंजेस होते हैं. एक होता है केमिकल चेंज. This is what it is. I have a gift for all of you, and if you want to pick it up, make some noise and say yay. मतलब I just got some change in you. This is called chemical change. केमिकल चेंज मतलब आपके शरीर में, आपके दिमाग में मैंने डोपामिन नाम का केमिकल शुरू किया. यू फील एक्साइटेड, बट 7 दिन के बाद जहां है वहीं रह जाएंगे. दैट्स व्हाई मोटिवेशनल स्पीचेस फेल. मगर महाराज साहब के साथ जो रहता है उनके अंदर लंबा चेंज आता है. जैसे महेश भाई बादर के जिंदगी में आया इतना बड़ा चेंज. Where he was going on the left side of life, he started going to the right side of life. वो कैसे होता है? वो केमिकल चेंज से नहीं होता है, वो होता है स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज. यानी कि दिमाग के भीतर वाले न्यूरॉन्स को समझ के इन न्यूरॉन्स की वायरिंग को चेंज करना इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रक्चरल चेंज. राहुल एग्जाम्पल इंद्रभूति का है. जो इंसान सोचता था कि मेरा हम इतना बड़ा है कि मैं महावीर से बड़ा, अगर महावीर मेरे इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे दे तो मैं उनको जाके नमूंगा एंड तब मैं उनका शिष्य बन जाऊंगा. महावीर के पास गए, 5 मिनट के अंदर परिवर्तन आया. That means to say change is possible. And for those of you who doubt yourself, let me tell you one more time, change is possible. Functional change, when you are in a hospital after brain surgery, the doctors work, we're not talking about that today. So this is really what it is. Neurogenesis, ये डॉट्स शुरू होते हैं कनेक्ट होना. एक बार कनेक्ट हो गए तो उसको बार बार लगातार करने से नया साइनैप्स बन जाता है. नया साइनैप्स बन गया तो ये रेपिटेशन और प्रैक्टिस के साथ इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कि वो हमेशा आपके जीवन को विदाउट एनी एफर्ट्स चला सकता है. लास्ट, हम अपने साइनैप्स को वीक भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स था. आई अंडरस्टैंड साइंस, आई नो व्हाई यू आर क्वाइट, आई अंडरस्टैंड, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो द क्वेश्चन नाउ दैट कम्स अप इज कि राहुल, व्हाई इज इट सो डिफिकल्ट टू चेंज? And the answer to that question is competitive plasticity. मतलब जो प्लास्टिसिटी आपको चेंज करने में मदद करती है, वही प्लास्टिसिटी आपको कैद करके रखती है. Did you get what I said? Yes, no? Okay, बात करते हैं. मुझे गुस्सा बहुत आता है, एग्जाम्पल. तो गुस्से की एक वायरिंग है. तो मैंने मेडिटेशन शुरू किया तो ये नई वायरिंग शुरू हुई. ये मेरा पुराना क्रोध 50 साल से चल रहा है, ये 5 दिन से मैंने सीखा है. When these two come into contact, what will happen? Who will win? Old or new? Come on, old or new? And therefore you try again and the old wins. You try again, the old wins. You try again, the old wins. And what will you do? You will give up. What does neuroplasticity say? Is that you allow this one to get weakened, you allow this one to get strong. So this is strong, this is weak. You try, but it's getting bigger, and then there'll be a point where you're going to come to like this point here, where they're both going to fight. Nitin Bhai was introducing me and he said Rahul changed his life from being a ritualistic person to be a spiritual person who started to understand Jainism from a perspective of vibrations and sensations, and now he's changing his life. When I was in that state, जब मैं ये क्रिया करता था, पुरुषार्थ, प्रतिक्रमण, सामायिक, पौषध वगैरह, और फिर वहाँ से जब ये दुनिया में आया, इतना बड़ा conflict, my body was just breaking down for 6 months. I was in depression, I didn't know which way to follow Jainism. I had a chance to give it up, but I had a great guru called Vallabh Bhansali from Mumbai who kept me on the track, and then boom, that change came, and I realized this is it. This is the way to live Jainism. This is the way to understand Jainism. This is the way to spread Jainism. And this guy started getting weaker and weaker and weaker. जब ये weak हुआ, तो माँ कहती थी, राहुल बेटा तू क्या करता है? पूजा क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? तू कैसे धर्म समझ रहा है? ये धर्म नहीं अधर्म है. And फिर मैं महाराज साहब के पास गया कि महाराज साहब, I'm doing this. महाराज साहब, Rahul, you're on the right track. Don't leave it now. बट मेरी माँ नहीं समझ रही है. माँ को समझने की जरूरत नहीं है. तू है सही दिशा पे. You need to fight that battle so intensely strong, because only you will know what's happening in your body, what's happening in every cell of yours. Nobody knows, because the cells are going through the change. And on the cells, on Sunday. But right now, comparative plasticity, you have to learn to see the way these two fight and bring about the change. There are doctors sitting over here right in front, and I know in other rows, I may have made 1 or 2 mistakes here and there, but as far as I know I've just spoken exactly the way science has presented this subject. I could speak more, but I only have 13 minutes to go, so much more to cover. If I made sense, you can clap and let me know. So, just running through this. Question then is, and this is the best part of the program, what's the brain technology that we can use to change and transform? And I've read so much about the brain, so much about the way the brain functions. For those of you there in LA, you know this, that my body had broken down. I was not able to move for 6 months. 17 doctors tried to cure me. Nobody could do. And then transformation came in. This is some of that I'm talking about. I mean, having learned the best of best, this is what I'm presenting to you, which comes from Jainism. Is there a brain technology we can use to change and transform? And the answer is yes. What is it? And the answer is Man, Vachan, and Kaya. I want the 2 of you boys to come on stage. Sir, aap bhi stage pe aaiye. Fast bhag ke aaiye. Sir, aap aaiye. Sanjay bhai. Jaldi bhag ke aaiye. Man, Vachan, Kaya. Now, what am I saying? This is brain technology. I mean, I'm using the word technology. If you bring in Man, if you bring in Vachan, if you bring in Kaya, then you can actually see the power of Purusharth. So that when these neurons are really strong, these are weak, and when they're fighting, how do you make sure you keep the fight intense? And how do you make sure this one grows up? I'll show you now. Come here, please, in the center, sir. Jaldi aaiye. Aap center mein aaiye. Go on to the right side, left side. Hurry up. Hold his hand, please. Keep the microphone down. Keep the microphone down. Keep track number 2 going, sir. Hold this hand too. Hold that hand too. Now go 1 step back. Now, sir, aapka kaam hai, you have to go there. Your job is to pull him on that side, pull him on this side, like all the power you have. Grab him, okay? Good to go, sir? Aapko 10 seconds mein wahan pahunchna hai. 10 seconds mein. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yahan se nahi bhaiya, yahan se jana hai. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. Come back. Give him the mic. Come here in the center. Clap for him. Okay. What mic is this? Mic 12. Sir. Yeah, आप बात करिए. Mic पास में रखिए. Sir, आपने पुरुषार्थ किया, हाँ या ना?
बिल्कुल किया.
आप वहाँ पहुँचे, हाँ या ना?
पहुँचा, नहीं पहुँचा. आधा पहुँचा.
पहुँचा, नहीं पहुँचा.
मैं पॉजिटिव सोचता हूँ.
Confused इंसान.
पॉजिटिव सोचता हूँ, आधा पहुँचा.
नहीं सुन जाइए. कोशिश की, रिजल्ट नहीं आया. पुरुषार्थ किया, रिजल्ट नहीं आया. क्यों? समझ लीजिए कि ये है मन जो कहता है वहां जाना है. ये है वचन जो कहता है वहां जाऊंगा. ये है काया जो जाना चाहती है. मगर जब मन किसी और दिशा में खींचता है, वचन किसी और दिशा में खींचता है, तो काया वहां तक कैसे जा सकती है? अब I want you to talk to him. I want you to talk to him. Have a conversation. And इनको बोलो चलो वहां तक जाते हैं. चलिए कम. Speak. नहीं बात करो ना.
बहुत दम लगाया आपने यार.
हाँ जल्दी टाइम खत्म है. 11 मिनट बाकी है.
जवान खून है.
अरे भाई बात करो. वहां चलो. चलो. इस तरफ भाई तो वापस उस तरफ जा रहा है. हाथ में पकड़ के चलना. या यू गॉट इट ज्यादा जाओगे तो फिर बीवी नाराज हो जाएगी, बस रुक जाइए. Thank you very much, Ted, for the music. Hold this mic. Thank you very much. Give a round of applause for them, please, ladies and gentlemen. मतलब क्या हुआ अब? हमने ये कहा कि 5 समन्वय महावीर ने किया तो तुम कर सकते हो. पुरुषार्थ इंपॉर्टेंट. फिर हम गए द क्वालिटी ऑफ पुरुषार्थ, हिटलर, स्टीव जॉब्स, चित्रभानु जी, सिद्ध भगवान. वहां से हम गए न्यूरो प्लास्टिसिटी की बात की, आपको एक्सप्लेन किया, और ये यहां पर आके रुके कि ये कैसे करे. तो हमने कहा कि मन वचन काया. How many of you feel that you can have better health? Raise your hands up. How many of you feel that you can have better relationships? Raise your hands up. How many of you feel you can really grow and still achieve a lot more in life? Raise your hands up. Why don't we do it? Simply because there is a problem either in man, vachan or kaya in the way you live your life. If I made sense, clap and let me know. Question, Rahul, is there a better technology to get this going? And yes, and you'll all know what this technology is as I talk about it. But remember, it's the way I'm presenting this concept. It stays in your brain and you really understand the power of Purusharth and how to unleash it because you've done that before. It's just that you don't know. And you don't know, and because you don't know, you're not using it again. And what does Jain Dharma say? Man, vachan, kaya ko तीनों को एक साथ लेके उसके नीचे पचखान ले लो. एक बार आपने पचखान ले लिया कि मैं ये मिठाई नहीं खाऊंगी, तो आपने 6 महीने, 8 महीने, 10 महीने वो मिठाई नहीं खाई. किन किन लोगों ने जिंदगी भर तक नहीं खाई? Yes or no? If yes, raise your hands up and say yes. That means to say that if you make a choice, your purpose is clear, and then you get into pachkan, things really begin to work. Today, on the stage in Florida, I'm going to make a big request to all the people here. The reason why Jainism is not growing as fast as it needs to is because, like somebody said, maybe we are not changing with relevant times. Perhaps we are, and there's a lot more work going on in this world. Today we have Jainism being spread in universities because of great work like Sulekji uncle and others. And that work is going on. But I think the real thing which is missing is research on our own concepts. Why doesn't somebody start funding the concept of which part of the brain shifts when somebody takes Pachkan? And once we have the Nobel Peace Prize for that, perhaps the whole world will come to us and say, Bhaiya, Pachkan le lo. So this is the power of Pachkan. बट राहुल, अगर मैंने पचखान ले लिया और उसके बाद अगर मुझे रिजल्ट्स आ गए तो क्या होगा? अब देखिए, जैसे यू टुक पचखान, यू गेट द रिजल्ट्स. अब गलती कहां करते हैं? ओ, मैंने इतने उपवास कर लिए तो राग में चले गए. मैंने इतना बिजनेस कर लिया, राग में चले गए. द मोमेंट यू गो बैक इनटू राग, देयर वी गो, योर पुरुषार्थ इज एब्सोल्युटली मेस्ड अप. Because you know what? Your real Purusharth is not about achieving success in your materialistic life. Your real Purusharth is about achieving success in your spiritual life. And spiritual life mein, the moment you say, oh, maine kar diya, oh, ye aisa ho gaya, rag or dvesh, boom, you're back to square one. Because now your Purusharth is impacting your karma. Karma is about no positive, no negative karma. I should be vitarag, away from all these. When these two happen, that's when I qualify to go to the moksha. Which means to say I need neither this nor that. When I need neither this nor that, then your pachkan comes through. And when you are in that state of pachkan, I want you to know what really you need to understand. You need to understand that you can do purusharth of any kind. You can do purusharth of any kind. But I'm now going to bring you to the point where Tattva Sutra begins. And Tattva Sutra says, Samyak Darshan, Samyak Gyan, Samyak Charitrani, Moksha Marga. Wow, I love that. तो ये सम्यक दर्शन, सम्यक ज्ञान और सम्यक चारित्र, इसको हम कैसे जोड़े? मैं वर्ड सम्यक को निकाल देता हूँ. सम्यक निकाल दिया, सिर्फ दर्शन किया, मुझे बिजनेस करना है, आगे बढ़ना है. दर्शन किया, मुझे अपने बॉडी को इंप्रूव करना है. दर्शन किया, मुझे रिलेशनशिप को इंप्रूव करना है. ये सब नॉर्मल लाइफ, नॉर्मल मटेरियल लाइफ. आपने इसका दर्शन किया. दर्शन करने के बावजूद लोगों को रिजल्ट्स नहीं आते. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव द राइट नॉलेज ऑफ हाउ टू रियली गेट देयर. And which is why it's important for you and me to understand that it's not knowledge that's going to really matter. It's the right knowledge. Boys, hurry up on the stage. You need to understand the right knowledge. Now, darshan kar diya कि business करना है, but you don't have the right kind of ज्ञान of how to do, तो charitra will be weak. Walk straight from there. Walk in circles. Okay, you walk straight, you walk in circles. Okay, ready? Walk in circle, walk straight. Both of you start from here. Hurry up. Quick, 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 quick. Ready to go? All right, guys. Walk. 1, 2, 3. No, wait. You walk straight, you walk in circles. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Where do you reach? 10 feet forward. Where do you reach? Same place. If you don't have the gyan and you're still putting in efforts, this is what happens. Darshan hai magar gyan nahi to wahin gote khate rehte ho. And that is the problem, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, boys. Take this mic away. So A, you need to know exactly what's the purpose. But you don't live in purpose, you live in goals. The goal, business, the goal, relationship, the goal, money, the goal, this. These are your goals. If you have a goal, samyak darshan. You have the gyan, you're moving forward. And therefore, charitra. If it's a goal and you don't get it, if it's a goal, you don't get it, you get tired and you give up. You get tired and you give up. Are you with me? Yes, no? If it's not a goal, but it's a purpose, that this life or next life or life after that, I'm consistently going to keep making myself better as a human being, as a soul, and that's the ultimate purpose of my life. Then what happens? You never give up, because ye janam ke baad agla janam, अगले के बाद अगला जन्म, अगले के बाद अगला जन्म, हमें सिर्फ पुरुषार्थ करना है. सम्यक दर्शन, सम्यक ज्ञान, सम्यक चारित्र, not darshan gyan charitra, samyak. And the moment you bring in samyak darshan gyan charitra, then you power it up with purusharth. Then you leave the rag and dvesh. You bring in man vachan kaya, and you get ready to unleash the power of purusharth. Three minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. And that's all I have. And I'm not yet done. You know why? Because I told you I'm going to leave you into your brain with some power. Stand up, everybody. This 3 minutes is basically to make sure I close by 5:10. Okay, everybody now. All the alternates. The first row, you will stand. Second row, sit down. Third row, stand. Fourth row, sit down. You figure out who stands, who sits fast. All of you at the back, you guys can continue standing, no problem. All of you there can stand. Put your index finger up, please, everybody. Put your index finger up. The reason why you're standing is because they need time to move. They need space to move, okay? Spread yourselves out a little bit. Spread yourselves out a little bit. Spread yourselves out. Keep both your legs together. Keep both your legs together. Don't shift your legs. Keep both the legs together. Put your index finger up. Index finger up like this. जब मैं कहूँ अब नहीं, जब मैं कहूँ you should shift. You should twist as much. Don't do it now. Twist as much as you can and recall till what point did you reach and stop there. Come on now, start, everybody. Track 2 in the background. Your maximum twist and come back. Maximum twist and come back. Yes, great. Now, I'm going to show you how this entire technology works. Now leave your hands down, straight up here. You're not going to move your hands, you're not going to move your legs. Everything is happening in the brain now, okay? Everything is happening in the brain. In the brain. I'm going to rewire your brain and see how quickly we can do it. Don't do anything with the physical movement. आप मेरे साथ हो, सिर्फ कहाँ करना है? दिमाग में. Close your eyes. Music little low. अपनी आंखों को बंद करके visualize in your brain that your hand is up. Visualize that you're now twisting. 90, 120, 180, 240, 300, 310, 320. Okay. Visualize your back. Visualize your back. Your hands are down. Okay? Everything is happening in the brain. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes ever till I ask you to. Now visualize again your hand is going up. Finger is pointing. You're twisting now. 90, 120, 180, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340. Come back. Relax again. It's all happening in the brain. It's all happening in the brain. Don't do it physically. Again, lift your hand up, finger up, move. 90, 120, 180, 240, 300, 320, 330, 340, 350. Stop. Open your eyes. Okay, now, bring both your legs together, finger up. We will do it again, and if your results have improved, let me know. If your results have improved, let me know. Twist now, twist now, twist. How much can you go? If you're moving more than before, then make some noise and say yes. Oh, really? If yes, make some noise and say yes. I want everybody to stand up, cut the music completely. Keep the track, last track for me. I'll tell you when to play that. I'm coming to the end. I see the watch says, Rahul, time done. I'm just going to see if I can squeeze in like 2 minutes, like not 2 minutes. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. I know the next speaker is already here, Michami Dukram. Now, let me just package this for you so you understand. Okay, everybody on your feet. What I did just now is I went into your brain's neurons. I gave it messages. And look at the power of neuroplasticity. I moved you more than 20-30% of your previous results. Yes or no? If that can happen here, imagine what your brain can do. This is the power of unleashing Purusharth. It begins with Samyak Darshan, कि कहाँ जाना है. एक बार दर्शन हो गया, सम्यक ज्ञान, उसका ज्ञान पाओ. उसके बाद सम्यक चारित्र, उसके नीचे पुरुषार्थ लगाओ. पुरुषार्थ को मन वचन के साथ, and then boom, anything is possible. Close your eyes again. Make one goal for your life. Goals. Any materialistic life goal. Whatever you want, just make one goal. I want to reduce my weight, I want to read a book, I want to improve relationship, whatever. Open your eyes. Close your eyes again. Now I want you to make a purpose. Spiritual life ka ek purpose banaiye. Goal need purpose. That I want to start spending time on Swadhyay. I want to do X number of Samaiks. I want to improve my Sanskrit language. Whatever that you want to. Open your eyes. That's your commitment. Rahul, how do I make it possible? And I'm closing with this. Don't sit. New science says, old science said 21 days you can rewire your brain. Do the same thing again and again and again for 21 days, it works. New science says, no, it doesn't really work. What you need is 50, what it says you need is 66 days to 256 days. 56 days, 66 days it says, 66 to 256 days. Ladies and gentlemen, the power of Jainism. जिस दिन से चतुर्मास शुरू होता है, उस दिन से last दिन of प्रतिक्रमण is how many days? 50. दिगंबर में 60. What new science says, Jainism has already been proposing 50 to 60 days and you can rewire your brain. That's why Chaturmas is the time to get involved in dharam, in gyan, in living a great life. With that, ladies and gentlemen, remember, just keep doing things. Don't ever take a break. If you want to do something, do it again and again and again and again and again and again and again. I landed here in America yesterday and somebody said, Rahul, go sleep. I was in the gym exercising. Why? Because my commitment is there will be not one day, but a lot of exercise. What was I doing in the flight? When everybody was sleeping, I was exercising for 45 minutes. What's the message to all of you? Samyak darshan gyan charitrani moksha marga. Not one day, but every moment of your life. And that's the way, ladies and gentlemen, to live a life that matters. That's Jainism simplified. This is the way to unleash the power of Purusharth. And I am Rahul Kapoor Jain. Bolo Jain Shashan Deva ki.